Hello there, and welcome to Port in Thonglor.
Today I'm in Thonglor, Bangkok's richest neighbourhood. Supercars, luxury condos, rooftop bars, and cafes where a coffee can cost more than an entire meal somewhere else in the city. But today I'm spending the entire day here with just $5. Can you actually spend a full day in Bangkok's most expensive area with a budget this low? Or is Thonglor impossible if you're broke?
$5 is 163 baht and 14 satang. I'll put the conversion rate on the screen for you guys into euros and pounds. Last time I did this challenge, it was about 155 baht to $5. So I've got an extra 8 baht to spend this time. So luxurious. Now let's start with some breakfast. So just gone for these pastries and they're just 18 baht each and they're filled with bean. This is a great start. Right, give this one a try. I don't really like red bean, but this bean is quite nice actually. A little bit sweet, nice and crunchy. 18 baht, fantastic start. If you're looking for like budget breakfast in Bangkok, your options are kind of be like fruit. Maybe you'll get fruit for like 20 baht, or you can get like the pork skewers. A lot of Thais have the pork skewers for breakfast, and normally they'll be like 10 or 20 each. So these are your kind of budget breakfasts that you're going to have in. Now, we're just on our way to Dib Bangkok, and this was voted by Time Magazine one of the top 100 greatest places in the world. So haven't been yet, so very interested to check it out. And it's only a 15-minute walk away from here. This is how posh Thonglor is. They've got wooden dumbbells in the gym. If you're wondering about the name of the museum, Dib in Thai, it translates as raw, unprocessed, and this is the kind of theme of the museum. Dib opened in 2025, and the architect was called Kulapat Yantrasa, and they designed the gallery based on like a peaceful, calm atmosphere as a bit of a contrast with the crowded city around it. So it's very cool, well worth checking out this one, guys. The main gallery is just over there, and tickets are 550 to get in, and they've got a little cafe just behind here, and if you want to go in the main gallery, you just can grab your ticket in there and then you just go over to that point over there where the lady is. There's this very mysterious structure here at the top, and we've just seen, I thought it might be like a false door, but just seen two people walk up there and go through there. So we're definitely going to check this one out. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Obviously we'll be going inside the main museum today because 500 baht, you know, it's 3 times my budget. But this area all here is free to explore. Welcome, I've been expecting you. Now this is not what I was expecting. Now it's time for lunch, and of course if you're on this $5 a day budget, guys, it's got to be street food every time. So I've taken to a nice spot here on Soi 55. So you just need to look for the mosque here, and we're just going just behind me. This place is called Jae Som.
If you're on a budget in Bangkok, these buffet restaurants are a great choice. There are also plenty of other options along this street if you're more in the mood for a single dish instead. Here you can choose one topping for 50 baht, and it comes with rice. The more dishes you get, the better the value. Today, since there were 2 of us, we went for No Mai Pad, which is stir-fried bamboo shoots. You can find this dish all over Thailand, usually with chicken or mushrooms. We also got Pad Kalam Pli, which is stir-fried cabbage in fish sauce. Places like this are an absolute necessity for the hardworking locals who keep this high-end district running, from the security guards to the office workers, delivery riders and the construction workers.
So we're on our way to the next place now. Yeah, nice little spot. And like, if you're on a budget, guys, these are the places you kind of want to go to, because you can have like one topping for 50, like we did. But most of like your workers and stuff, they'll come in, they'll get a massive loaded plate. They'll go for the free toppings because it's much more economical, and you're only paying 60 for the free topping. So really good. Now we're just going to go to a community space called the Commons. That was the Commons. Interesting to see what you think about that, guys, because for us, we're in there and it's kind of like, it reminds us of a lot of places back in England and in America, where like the young kind of city students kind of congregate, and there's no feeling of being in Thailand in there, actually. I don't know whether I'd really recommend it. Now, if you are coming to Thailand and you do want that kind of escape and you want to, maybe you're an expat here, maybe you've been here for a long time and you're kind of wanting stuff from back home and be in an environment which is very similar to back home, that would be a place that I would recommend. So guys, you can't afford to be buying drinks on a less than $5 budget. Here we go. If you've ever seen these are reverse osmosis water machines, and you just put your coins in there. This, like, normally it's you're going to be taking like a big 4 litre or something like this, you know, and you can fill it up like this, but I'll just show you how it's working today. For something like that, all you'll need is like 1 baht. Oh, there's already one inside. I've just wasted a baht. There you go. Ooh. So it's as easy as that. Take a look at this. We've never been up here before, so you've got the temple here looking absolutely amazing. This is Wat Pasi, and then you've got this apartment block here with all the hanging gardens of Thonglor. Yeah, amazing. So unfortunately, we wanted to go inside and wanted to go up to the top, but it's all blocked off. Looks like a bit of renovation on this side. So you can actually get up to the top level. There's a set of stairs on the right hand side, and they've got this gold temple here. I'm not sure whether we'll be able to get into this one on this side. We'll have a go. Just keeps going up here. So we're at the back of the temple now, and they've got this beautiful path here. Yeah, it's incredible up here. You've got to come and have a look, guys. It's so beautiful. Oh, look at this down here. Well, it's a really good view with the boats. You can't believe you're in Thonglor here, can you?
No.
Amazing. What we really like about it around here, guys, is just you've got the foliage just growing everywhere, like all over the car park here, on the other side of the road, it's the same. It's all over like the temple complex. Beautiful. Just what you need in a city full of concrete, this. Does anyone know why they've got the cans like this? Is it just for decoration, or is there like a meaning, is there a purpose why they're here? So that was Wat Pasi, brilliant. We're both saying that it's probably like one of our favourite temples in Bangkok, and you know, first time we've been to it, amazing. Yeah, really interesting inside and very peaceful. The whole time we were there, we just saw like one monk, and then like there was a guy, a caretaker, walking around there. Fantastic. What we're doing now is we're just walking down here. We're just seeing if we can get around this building here. Take a look at this from a different side, maybe onto the Klong at the back. Pretty nice. You come out at the back of here, just on the Klong. Nice little community just round here. Yeah, interesting. I mean, totally different what you'll see from the main streets. Although we are about, say, we're a good few kilometres back off the main Sukhumvit road here, so it's like a totally different world. Beautiful though. Just down from BTS Thonglor, there's a bookshop here. This is Dasa Books, and this is probably for me one of the best bookshops in Bangkok. And outside here, they've got lots of reduced titles. So if you're on a budget, ideal way to spend an afternoon. Here you're going to find some of the cheapest books in Bangkok. Like this one's 49. $29. You had one for 19, right, Dan?
Yeah, 19.
19 baht. That's like, yeah, 50p. Ross Kemp Gangs too. The finest piece of literature you're ever going to read, this one, guys. Just gone for The Devil's Road to Kathmandu. I've never actually been to Kathmandu. This should be interesting to read. An absolute steal at 29 baht, which means that my budget is down to 65 baht.
Perfect for dinner. Next stop, we are in the park. This is Benjasiri Park, and whilst Thonglor doesn't have any parks itself, this is just a 15-minute walk down to the next stop, Prompong. Lovely little park here. And now, the Devil's Road to Kathmandu. Every single page, let's go. Now boys, don't start to ramble. Only joking. Now for dinner I decided to pop into this place. I've been coming past here for years but I've never been in here before. But I eyed up this bowl of pork noodles for 60 baht. Can't go wrong. A bowl of pork noodles are like the ultimate comfort food in Thailand. You'll find them all over. And they're served in a rich savoury broth with slices of pork, noodles, fresh greens and crispy garlic on top. Very simple dish, but it's absolutely delicious. Okay guys, so right back at home now. What did you think of Thonglor? I must admit it's not easy doing an area like Thonglor on that kind of budget, but it's still doable. Like everywhere in Bangkok, you know, you can have a really good time on a high budget and on a low budget too. So I'm absolutely not suggesting you try to live every day on $5 because it would be ridiculous. More realistically, $50 to $100, that's a much better budget for a day. Every now and again, you can have a cheap day, save yourself a bit of money. If you're interested in similar low budget days in Bangkok, check out the video above here. I did another one about 4 months ago you might be interested in. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next one.